Hey girl, hey, thanks for coming to check out another crochet hair tutorial. So this one is a passion twist with boho curls, and I did use the rubber band method, which is where you rubber band your hair into sections and use those rubber banded sections as a base to start your passion twist. So I did use 2 rubber bands on each section, and I did use edge control. I used the edge Lux, and I'll leave a link so you can check that out. I really like this edge control. It works really well for my hair. So I used some of the edge control on the ends of my hair and then just kept twisting the hair into a passion twist. And I did use the expression hair for this. And I did not do any feed in method or anything. This is just the length of the crochet hair, of the braid hair. Then I went back and added in the crochet pieces. As you can see, my son helped me to put them on my little braid rack behind me. I did get that from Amazon. I'll leave a link for that as well. And I just crocheted in about 6 curly pieces into each passion twist. This is the hair that I'm using. It is from Lock Braids. The hair is absolutely gorgeous. It's their human hair feather crochet. This curl pattern is absolutely stunning. It has these beautiful spiral curls at the end. And I use the outre expression hair for the base of the passion twist. So again, I just did rubber band sections box for the boxes around my whole head. Use the edge Lux edge control, kept adding that in to keep my hair into the passion twist. Twist straight down and use the miracle knot method to add the crochet pieces in after I was done. So I just went at the base of the hair, added a crochet piece there, and then added 5 more pieces along the, not 5, actually 4, because I added another piece at the end of the passion twist. That's how I ended the passion twist. I would twist all the way down. I would add a piece of crochet hair in at the bottom, use a rubber band to hold the twist together and to hold the crochet piece in at the end. And I believe I have a clip of that as well. So at the base, I would just pull the braid hair through the rubber banded section, separate it in at the loop, and then pull one end of the looped hair through. Then I would add edge control to my hair, separate my hair into the 2 pieces of braid hair, and just start twisting. Don't twist too tight because the twist does get tighter as you go, and it'll get too tight along that base of where your rubber band is. So don't twist too tight, okay? You'll have a really bad headache by the time this is all over. Keep adding edge control until you pass your own hair, and once you get to the bottom of the braid hair, use a rubber band to add the crochet piece in. Find the end of the braid hair, cut that out, and there you go. You have your passion twist with boho miracle knots. Very easy style, really pretty. I think it's going to be perfect for the summer. Absolutely love how it came out. So I went ahead and added my edge control to my edges, did my makeup off camera. This dress is from Amazon if you like it. I'll leave a link to this Amazon dress. It's from OQQ. But yeah, the hair is so pretty. The crochet hair is really lightweight, beautiful curl pattern. It gives that gorgeous, exotic, like bohemian look that I absolutely love. Now, I will say I wouldn't use as much of the braid hair as I did. It did get very, very heavy. So I'm going to do this style again and find some lighter weight hair. I think if I had used like water wave hair, it would have come out a lot lighter weight. But the look of the hair I absolutely love. It was just a little heavy. So this is what it looks like standing up. It's very long, very dramatic. I absolutely love how this hair came out. It is so stunning, and I can't wait to redo it with some lighter weight braid hair. Make some suggestions to me, you guys. for some different braid hair that I can use. But look how gorgeous this is. I got so many compliments on this hair. My husband just could not stop complimenting me on this hair. He really, really liked it. I love it as well. Let me know, have you guys ever done miracle knots on twists before? I've seen a lot of people do them on braids. I think I saw Vandy do it. I'm not sure, but if I did, I'll definitely leave a comment. This is my baby girl. She was so excited to see how this hair came out. I have been working on this hair for several days. But yeah, if you guys have questions, leave it in the comments and I'll get back to you. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.